Alright, here engine number 4, 2.5 Eurovan engine code ACU. This is the one with secondary air. This engine has a $1,500 core charge on it, and if your head is bad, you only get $500 back. So because I only have 2 of those heads, they are hard to find good ones because I never use that in Europe. The engine is bored, oversized, new pistons in it. I was able to find some original Volkswagen rings for that. That it's in the engine. New main bearing, new rod bearing, rebuild head. So this is all done up. Comes with the lower and the upper gasket set. Also comes with the oil pump. You just have to state which one you have. There's 2 versions on that. There's an early one with a tensioner wheel here. Most of the time those engines, the backing plate is out of metal. That's how you can tell that most of the time it takes this one. And this is the later one. When the backing plate is out of plastic, then they mostly have this one. So engine number 4, perfect engine for your Eurovan, code ACU. Thank you.